Hi, good evening. This is Scott with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Sonos? This is ticker SONO. Now, this is actually an idea from our active trading room at StockMarketMentor.com. We have hundreds of traders in there posting ideas every single day all around the world. Traders coming together and just sharing what they think and what they know and things that they're looking at. And this is one of the ideas that I picked up from our active trading forum from one of our longtime members. And it's a chart that I think is really interesting because not only is it above all the major moving averages here, but it has a fair bit amount of short interest. Sonos actually has about 10% of their float short. Now, my thought is that if the market squeezes higher, and I'm talking about the market generally, then this stock could have a little extra fire in that move if those shorts start to cover. And so what I want to see here from Sonos is a potential move above this resistance zone right around 2050. As you can see back here in the early stages of March, couldn't get above that level. Pulled back to the 50-day moving average, and now we're right under that level again. And so if I was a short seller, I would definitely move my stop to around this area or at least around this high over here around 2150. I think we could get potentially some short covering with a breakthrough there, and then certainly with a break through there. So some pretty key zones here on Sonos that I think, if the shorts cover, could give this stock somewhat of an outsized move. So this is definitely a stock that I have on my watch list, and I think you should definitely consider adding it to yours. If you want to see what else we're looking at in this market, be sure and take a trial at StockMarketMentor.com. 30 days, $7. You're not going to find a better deal than that. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I hope to see you on the other side.